All of these YouTube videos have millions of views, and surprisingly, their thumbnails were not made by an expensive thumbnail designer, but by a cheap and easy-to-use AI thumbnail generator.
I know you don't care about Photoshop, Canva, AI, or thumbnail, or even YouTube. You want to learn how to make money online, and that's okay. Because in this video, I will show you a guaranteed way to make money online for free in 2025.
Allows you to make thumbnails like this, or this in just 2 minutes. For example, submitting this text to the AI generated this thumbnail right here, which got 2 million views on this video. And let me tell you, that is not a lucky strike. I've seen hundreds of results like this. So if you want to start making better YouTube thumbnails to get more views in a faster and easier way, this video is going to be for you.
Now, why do we even care about thumbnails or even videos? I want to give you a quick explanation. In order to make money, you need 3 P's. You need a potion, which is a magical solution to people's pain. People are ready to pay money for a magical solution to their pain. This potion is called product. This pain is a realization why people would spend money, and these people are called traffic. If we just consider affiliate marketing, which is I'm an expert of, we made over 8 figures using just affiliate marketing and helped tons and tons of people make serious cash. Potion or the product is created by the product creator. And before they create the potion or the product, they already do their research of people's pain. So as an affiliate marketer, the only thing we need to do is to generate traffic or generate people and show them the solution to their problem or the product. All the hard work is done by the product creator. The affiliate's job is just to generate traffic. And YouTube is one of the best ways to generate traffic. Make a video, people will watch your video. They find it useful, they will love you, follow you, and they will buy from you. As an affiliate marketer, you simply put your link somewhere and ask your viewers to buy from there. They will go click that link and buy from you. You earn affiliate commission. That's the power of YouTube. But there is a problem. YouTube is extremely competitive. There are literally thousands, if not billions of creators creating amazing videos every single day. Therefore, you need to stand out. And amazingly, it's super easy to stand out on YouTube by doing your thumbnails right. If you look at my screen while I'm scrolling, what is grabbing your attention the most? The images. These are thumbnails. So in the past, people used to spend tons of money to hire graphic designers and create attention-grabbing, click-worthy thumbnails. And now because of AI, this problem is solved. You do not need to spend a single penny or hire expensive graphic designers, follow up with them to get amazing thumbnails. Long story short, if you watch this video, your traffic problem will be solved.
With this tool, you can make action-based thumbnails, perspective thumbnails, free panel thumbnails, face and object thumbnails, object-only thumbnails. Basically, you can make every single one of the 12 best performing YouTube thumbnail formats. Alright, so to generate our thumbnails, we're going to be using this platform, which is called Pixels. This is the best AI thumbnail generator for YouTube specifically.
You might be thinking, no, Mosh, there is a very specific reason why he's showing this thumbnail creator, and I want you to watch it.
And here's how to use it. You've actually got 2 different options to create a thumbnail. You can do prompt a thumbnail, which basically is you submitting a text right here, telling it what you would like to create.
And I think you already know how to do it. You already have seen other people do it, but this one is different.
Or you've got a recreate option, which is where you can paste in a YouTube link, click generate, and it's then going to recreate the existing thumbnail that you gave it, allowing you to use proven formats from videos that already have millions of views for your own videos. However, I'll show you how to do that later on. Let's actually start by making a thumbnail from scratch with the prompt feature.
Don't think that you know everything, because AI is evolving, changing every day, new things coming every day. See what it does, and then I will show you a better solution.
In order to submit a text right here, first of all, we need a video topic. So I actually spent some time doing research, figuring out which videos perform well, and I noticed that the top YouTubers, a lot of them have videos with sharks. What I want to create is a thumbnail for a video where I went shark diving, which Mr. Beast and Mark Rober did themselves as well with these thumbnails, and they got over 100 million views on their videos.
So basically he went ahead and made this thumbnail, but he was not happy. He wanted to add more features on this scuba mask. So he edited the prompt a little bit, and this is how it looks. I know this looks amazing, and I know your question. How much does this software cost? This will cost you $14 a month minimum, and you will not even get most of the important features. For most important features, you have to spend $28 a month, but you have to pay annually, which means to avail $28 a month, you have to spend $336 one time for the whole year. But if you want to spend monthly, then it will become $40 a month. Now here is the problem. If you're not yet making money, it's a bit of challenge to spend $40 a month just for a thumbnail creator. Are there any other solution? The answer is yes. And the solution is 100% free. It's called Meta AI. Go to Facebook chat and put the same prompt. So I said, draw hyper-realistic image of a man underwater being chased by a shark. The photo is shot from the front of the man. And this is what I got. Of course, it doesn't look like this. So I changed the prompt a little bit, and now the image looked like this, without me being a prompt engineer or whatever. So it seems that you don't really need to spend a lot of money. However, there is a cool feature in this software. You can just ask to change one part of the image and keep the remaining same. But when I tried that, the image completely changed. A little funny thing here, this man on the thumbnail looks happy. So I asked Meta AI to create a happy man, and this is how it looks like. Little creepy, huh? Happy man being chased by an angry shark. So I asked AI to make both of them happy, and here we are.
Now, these results are already great. However, what is currently missing is text. Text to amplify is another one of the 12 best performing thumbnail formats on YouTube. So if I want to have a similar thumbnail like this, where it says shark diving in a bright, bold yellow font, that's exactly what I need to include in the prompt. And so a prompt I could use for that is basically the same beginning, but then add the text shark diving in a bold, bright yellow font at the top. You click generate and it's once again gonna listen to you. And here's what it then generated.
This looks amazing. So let's see what Meta generated for me. This is what I got when I asked to add the text shark diving. First of all, it's a creepy shark man combo creature. And second, the diving spelling is wrong. So I tried to change a little bit. Here's what I got. Instead of shark, it becomes shark. I don't know what it is. And now I think the shark and the man both being chased by a whale. Okay, my point here is if you want accuracy, looks like this is an amazing software. For $40 a month, it will save all your time. But if you want to take a little hassle, then create the images on free softwares like Meta AI, and take one more step and add the text using another software. Maybe any free software. You can even use Google Slide. But if you're anything like me, I wouldn't mind trying a little typo, because sometimes a typo will create more curiosity, more clicks, and hence more traffic. Now let's talk about money. If you look at what this guy is doing, he made an awesome video showing a software, showing its features, exactly how it works, solution to the problems. If we go back to our board, then this guy basically is addressing the pain of the people and offering a magical potion. The potion is the software. And he's doing it in the form of a video. When he put the video on YouTube, YouTube will send him viewers. Question, where are these viewers going? He put his affiliate link in the description. And somewhere in the video, after showing the software, he will ask viewers to click on this link to get a 30-day trial for $1. And I'm sure a lot of people from the 64,000 viewers will click this link and buy from him, and he will make money. But this seems like a lot of work, doesn't it? A lot of steps, expertise, work every day, make videos every day. And that's why for beginners, I recommend instead of doing long videos, start with short videos. So here is the process that we show our students. Use AI and learn skills and gain knowledge fast. Use that to make short videos. Upload those short videos on YouTube as YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook as Reel. They will send you viewers to your short videos. Why? Because first of all, short videos are just 1 minute long. Second, they don't have thumbnails. Third, these guys are in a war to get attention through short videos. So they will send you a lot of traffic. At the end of your video, you will ask your viewers to click the link to your automated funnel. This automated sales funnel is completely AI powered, and it does the selling on your behalf. Now, it will not sell a $40 product. It will sell a $500 to $1,000 product. And when a sale happens, you earn 50% affiliate commissions, completely passive income. These are the photos of some of our students who made high-ticket affiliate commissions, like Yogesh made $200 the other day. On the same day, Nathan made $200. Ilham made $300 for just one sale. Yogesh made another $300. Nathan made another $300. Alvin made $500. And I can go on and on. And if you want to know how these beginner members of our program are doing it with a 99% done for you system, then watch the free cases study in the link in the description. It will show you step by step everything, what we do, how we do, and how we help our beginner members, just like you. And if you still have any questions after watching the training, shoot me a DM on Instagram and I'll be more than happy to answer you. Hit the like button if you like this video, share with your friends and family if you think it's helpful, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and to learn more money making techniques, watch these videos, and we'll see you on the next one.